Welcome all. Here there is a problem. You can see a car is moving with initial velocity of 30 meter per second, comes to rest after traveling a distance of 90 meter. Assuming the retardation to be uniform, find its value. What time does it take to cover that distance? This is a problem. This is a problem in one-dimensional motion. So here, what and all we have to find, we can understand from this. And before that, whenever we get a problem, we have to list out what are the given things. So given values we have to list out. So let me write here. We are writing answer now. Given. What are the given things? Yes. So here initial velocity is given. Let me write that here. Initial velocity, we represent it by V naught, that is 30 meter per second. And one more thing given is distance, or in the case of one-dimensional motion, we can take it as displacement. Okay, so displacement is given. Let me consider it as displacement. It is represented by x 90 meter. Okay. Assuming the retardation to be uniform. So it is given that retardation is nothing but the negative acceleration that is uniform. And what we have to find its value. So we have to find what is the retardation. Retardation equal to how much? That we have to find. And what time does it take to cover that distance? So we also have to find time. Time, how much? So retardation is negative acceleration. You know that? Okay. And time is represented by t. Okay, these two are we have to find. So now, in the case of one-dimensional motion, we have three equations of motion. So first one, V equal to V naught plus AT. Very familiar equation for us. First equation of motion. And second one, X equal to V naught T plus half AT square, and one more, V square equal to V naught square plus 2AX. And here V is final velocity, V naught is initial velocity, A is acceleration, T is time, and X is displacement. All these things we studied. So from this, which equation I can use for getting retardation, I have to check first. So wherever it comes, which one? A comes. A here also comes, here also comes, and here also comes. Retardation is negative acceleration. So we have to find A here. So in order to find A, can I use this equation? No, because time is not given. That also we have to find. And here also, if I use the second equation, there also time is needed to find A. So time is not given. Okay, so the equation I can use is the third one, v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. That only I can use because here t is not there. The other values, final velocity, initial velocity, and x displacement, that is also given. You know what is final velocity here? It comes to rest. See, comes to rest after traveling a distance of 90 meter. Comes to rest means final velocity is also given. That is v equal to 0 meter per second. 0. V is 0. Final velocity is 0. As it is given, comes to rest after traveling a distance of 90 meter. So final velocity v is 0, v naught is that is 30 meter per second, and x is 90. So I can use this equation for solving the problem for retardation. So let me solve it here. So using v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. I'll just rearrange it for a, that is v square minus v naught square. I just brought this to the left hand side, so I got this equation, v square minus v naught square equal to 2ax, and I need a, so for that I'll bring this 2 and x to the other side. So v square minus v naught square by 2x equal to a, isn't it? So I got equation for a equal to, I'll just reverse it and write v square minus v naught square divided by 2x. So using this, I'll just substitute the values, so I'll get a equal to what? V is 0, so 0 minus that is v naught is 30, so 30 square divided by 2 into x. X is 90 meter given. So 90, that is equal to, what is it? So minus of 30 square. 30 square is 900, isn't it? 3 square is 9 and 1 0 is there. Putting 2 zeros, I'll get 900. So 900 divided by 180. 2 into 90 is 180. 2 into 9 is 18. 1 0 is there. I'll put it 180 I'll get. So 900 divided by 180, a minus is there, so minus, okay, I'll write it here, so that is minus 5 meter per second square is acceleration. Why I got minus is, it is negative acceleration, retardation. So when I am writing retardation equal to 5 meter per second square. The value of retardation is 5 meter per second square, so this one I got as 5 meter per second square. And now I have to find time. For finding time, which among these I can use? I can use both of these, isn't it? But which one is easier? The first one, v equal to v naught plus at, simple equation. So I'll use this one for finding t. So that is v equal to v naught plus at. This one I will use for getting t, time. So I'll just rearrange it for getting t. V minus v naught. I brought v naught to the other side, equal to at. So V minus V naught, sorry, V naught here, okay, V naught by A equal to T, isn't it? So I got equation for T. So T equal to V minus V naught by A. What is it? Let me substitute the values. That is V is 0, isn't it? V is 0, V naught is 30. So 0 minus 30 divided by A is minus 5. A I got it as minus 5. So minus 30 by minus 5. How much it is? That is minus minus cancels. So 30 by 5 is 6 seconds. 6 seconds. So I got T also. T is 6 seconds. So I got two answers. That is retardation and time. So if you do this much, the problem is solved. Okay? Thank you.